What if the Earth stopped spinning suddenly? Imagine this. You are at home, scrolling your phone, sipping your coffee, when suddenly, the impossible happens. The ground shakes violently, the sky twists into chaos, and before you even know it, you are thrown sideways faster than any jet on Earth. The reason? Our planet has just stopped spinning. It sounds like science fiction. But let's step into this nightmare. What would really happen if the Earth suddenly hits the brakes? The invisible motion right now, you are moving, even if you feel still. The Earth spins at over 1,600 kilometers per hour at the equator. You don't notice because the air, the oceans, and everything else is spinning with you. Stopping that motion honestly would be like crashing into a wall at 1,000 miles per hour with no seatbelt. Except this time, the car is a planet. The first seconds, the very moment Earth stopped, people, cars, trees, and even buildings would be hurled eastward at terrifying speed. Skyscrapers would crumble, bridges would tear apart, entire cities would be reduced to rubble. The air itself, still rushing at full speed, would become a planet-wide hurricane. Billions would be wiped out in just seconds. The oceans too would revolt. Right now, rotation makes water bulge at the equator. Stop the spin and that bulge collapses. Genetic tsunamis would tear across continents. Coastlines would vanish. Cities like New York, Cairo, and Mumbai would drown. Entire landscapes would be reshaped forever. The sky turns hostile. And then comes the atmosphere. Winds faster than 1,000 per hour would scour the surface. Forests would burn. Deserts would bury cities in sand. An oxygen level would shift unpredictably. Breathing itself could become dangerous. Endless day, eternal night. But the greatest disaster, the loss of day and night without spin, one half of Earth would face the sun endlessly, heating until oceans boiled and land caught fire. The other half would sink into a freezing darkness, colder than Antarctica, Earth's new shape. Rotation also gives Earth a bulge at the equator. Without it, the planet would become a perfect sphere. The oceans would float towards the poles, forming two giant seas in the north and south, leaving a massive dry pot of land around the equator. The Earth would look like an alien world. Who could survive? Could anything survive this chaos? Deep-sea creatures already living without sunlight might go on. Bacteria underground could endure. Humans might try to hide in underground shelters or artificial domes. But our civilizations, they wouldn't survive the first day. So, what if the Earth stopped spinning suddenly? The answer? Chaos, oceans, winds, fire, ice. Our world would fall apart in seconds. Human civilization would collapse instantly. So next time when you look up the stars, remember, you are riding on a planet spinning at over 1,000 miles per hour. You don't feel it, because everything is perfectly in sync.